Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. This video, I will show you how I made this bunny candy box with opening mechanism where you put the candies in. I didn't have an acetate or any transparent film. Instead, I used a clear Ziploc and it worked. Also, in this video, I used the 12x12 paper pad that I got from Dollarama. It's only $4 Canadian for 24 sheets. It's almost as thick as the regular 12x12 cardstock. You can also use a regular cardstock for this one. So let's get started! I got the SVG file from Etsy. I put the link in my description box. So open your Design Space app, click Upload, Upload Image, click Browse. So I have the folder with the file saved on my desktop. So click the Bunny Box folder. And here we have two SVG files that we need to upload on our desktop. So click the first one and then click Upload. So we have the first one uploaded. Click Upload Image again, Browse, and then click the second SVG file and then click Upload. And then select these two images that we've just uploaded and add to Canvas. And I'm just moving this one a little bit to this side. Now I noticed that this file is much smaller than the other one. And as per instruction that came with this file, we have to change the size to 8.766 inches by 11.604. So click the lock icon and then type in the recommended sizes. Click this file and then click Ungroup. Now I need to change the size of this piece right here because when I was actually assembling it, it's shorter than it's supposed to be. So I'm going to change the height to 4 inches. And then I'm going to change the color of these two pieces. I'm going to change it to white, but you can choose any color that you want to use. Now click this other piece and then click Ungroup. Now for this one, there's a label that it's supposed to be transparent. So I'm going to change the color so that when the machine sorts out these pieces, it will be on a different mat and should prompt us that we're not going to be using cardstock for this one. Now we're going to remove the letters and the numbers. So I'll select this word first and then delete. And while pressing the Shift key on your keyboard, select all the letters and the numbers. And then right click and then delete. Then repeat this step until we get all the numbers and the letters removed. Then click Make It. Now I want the machine to start to cut the clear Ziploc. So I'm going to click mat number 3 and then continue. And then I'll use the washi sheet setting. And then I'll adjust the pressure to more. And then after it's cut, I'm going to change the setting to medium cardstock and change the pressure to more. So you can use the Ziploc if you don't have any transparent film or acetate. So I'm going to use my brayer to help it lay flat. And instead of cardstock, I'm going to use this pad papers from Dollarama. It's only $4 Canadian. It's 12x12 and you get 24 sheets. I'm going to use the back part or the white part of this designer paper. Now I'm going to be using tacky glue for this project. So I'm going to assemble the opening mechanism first. I'm going to use a toothpick to push this once, but you can also use your fingers. Now we're going to glue these two pieces together. And then get one of these. Now make sure that you put those two little tabs in that first hole. Repeat this step 5 more times. Then grab this piece, glue and attach it to this piece. We need to attach these pieces together. Now this step is important. We need to insert the tab of the other piece to this hole. Start with this tab and make your way clockwise. And then fold those tabs like so. And here, make sure you don't apply too much glue. Now this is when I realized that this piece is smaller than it's supposed to be. Make sure that the lever is all the way to the side. And there you have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you in the next episode of DIY by Cez. Thanks for watching!